My name is Kiley Summers. My company is SpenDebt. Come closer. And this is my innovation challenge pitch. Stress, generational curses, living paycheck to paycheck. This is what our customers told us when we asked them, what does debt mean to you? And in fact, this was my wife and I's story. We were in debt over $100,000+ of consumer debt before we became debt free. This was the beginning of SpenDebt. Hi, my name is Kiley Summers, and I'm the founder and CEO of SpenDebt. And we are on a mission to impact millions of people across the country by leveraging micropayments through everyday transactions. Consumer debt is real and is leaving many people wondering, well, how can I pay off my debt? And there are 70 million people with at least one debt in collections. On the other side, it's leaving companies wondering, well, how can we collect? Before the pandemic, there was over $150 billion placed in collection. Going a step further, looking at the utility industry, there are over 53 million people that have 90 days or more behind or being behind on an electricity bill. And before the pandemic, a third of them face energy insecurities, and there are tons of energy deserts across the country. Furthermore, there are nearly $20 billion in past due bills, and companies are selling debt to debt collection agencies for cents on the dollar. Enter SpenDebt. SpenDebt is a bill payment option partnering with companies to help them collect from their customers every time they swipe their debit card or have a banking transaction, improving customer experience, decreasing those operational expenses, increasing those on-time payments, but more importantly, reducing the write-offs that they're having each year. How does it work? A user would come to our platform, they would create a profile, linking the bank account they want to pay from, such as their Bank of America checkings account. Then they tell us the debt account they want to pay, such as their utility bill. Then they define the micropayment, anything greater than 50 cents. Let's call it $1 for today's example. After that, they begin spending. So let's say they bought their favorite cup of coffee from Starbucks at $5. Automatically, the dollar is added to the transaction. $5 will go to Starbucks, $1 will go towards the utility bill. Over the course of a month, we aggregate all those transactions and send a one-time payment on behalf of the customer. Looking at a use case example, this utility company had 118,000 customers in collections, owing $35 million, which this utility company wrote off. This is an average of $300 per customer. Using SpenDebt at a 30% adoption rate, 35,000 customers averaging $20 per month, the company will collect $8 million per year. Our go-to-market strategy, we have a direct-to-consumer model where we've already proven out that customers are paying on average $80 per month towards their consumer debt. We have a business-to-business model that requires no integration. We have 4 companies in the pipeline today, and we have a future SDK and API connection coming soon. Our team is a team of engineers. Both my wife and I are founders, and Janice is our CTO with deep experience in software development. We have over 60+ years of financial service experience and over 20+ years of information security for my advisory group. Our ask is for $1.5 million to help land us our first enterprise customer. And we will focus on sales, marketing, and product maintenance. Again, my name is Kiley Summers. I'm the founder of SpenDebt. I would love to connect with you to share more about our journey. Thank you.